Hey everyone, I'm your host Neeraj Agrawal, and in this video I will let you know how you can integrate Discord and YouTube together. By the end of this video, you will be automatically be able to publish any new videos that you will be posting on your YouTube on your Discord channel. Discord, as you know, has been a platform for all the gamers out there. But now even a lot of teams use Discord for sending messages across their teams. Now, let's imagine you are a gamer and you are publishing new videos on your YouTube channel. And you really want that whenever you are publishing a new video on your YouTube channel, you want to publish that very same video automatically on your Discord channel. You want to link it up. You want to send the link of your new video published on YouTube on your Discord channel. So with this specific automation, you won't even have to do anything at your end. Whenever you are going to publish any new videos on your YouTube channel, they will be automatically published on your Discord channel just about every single time. Now, even if you are a team who is running a software business and it is growing and you are doing some specific video on your YouTube channel itself, those videos will automatically be published on Discord as well. So it doesn't matter what kind of business you are doing, they will all be published on your Discord channel whenever you want them to be. To integrate YouTube and Discord together, we will be using a software platform by the name of Pabbly Connect, and Pabbly Connect will help us to bind YouTube and Discord together in such a way that any new videos published on YouTube will automatically be published on Discord. So let me just show you on my screen how it is done. So as you can see, we have already opened up Discord right here. We are just going to click on Open Discord button, which is available on the top right corner. Since I am already logged in, I am straight taken to my Discord dashboard right here. And the first step that I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on Add a Server button right here. And I'm just going to create a new server. And it is asking us whether I'm going to create this server for club or community or me or my friends. I'm going to skip this question for now. Doesn't matter what you choose. It is all up to you. My server name is my team. So I'm just going to name the server as my team. And if you want to upload any icon for your server, you can basically upload the icon right here. After this, you can just click on Create Server Name button right here. That will essentially create a new server by the name of my team. And inside this server, you will basically see a text channel by the name of General. So you can see the text channel is automatically created by Discord. If you want, you can create another channel by clicking this Create Channel button right here. Now the automation that I'm going to tell you, it will work on new channels as well as it will also work on any old channels that you have. So it doesn't matter whether you are going to create a new channel or not. Even if you want to automate everything on your existing channel, yes, you can do that. So let me just show you how it is done. The way to automate this all stuff is by going to a website named as pabbly.com. So Pabbly.com. Inside Pabbly, you will see a products icon right here, the products menu item right here. Just click on connect. Okay. And just do a sign up on this specific page. Because I have already signed up to Pabbly Connect, I will be taken straight to the dashboard. I will be taking you directly to the dashboard, but still, if you do not have a sign up, you can just sign up here. We offer 100 tasks for free. So this means you can basically push around 100 videos from YouTube to Discord anytime you want. Okay. So I have already signed up. So you can see that this is the Pabbly Connect screen. And this is the dashboard that you will come across once you sign up and log in into the account. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on Create Workflow button right here. So I'm just going to click on Create Workflow. And my workflow name is New Videos on YouTube Published to Discord. So any new videos on YouTube, we want to publish them to Discord. So I'm just going to create the workflow. And you can see that my workflow name is right here, which says New Videos on YouTube Published to Discord. Now, before doing anything, let me just show you my YouTube channel. So this is my YouTube channel. It just has 11 subscribers. And the interesting thing is I post a video every once in a while. So last video I posted 8 months ago, and before that I posted this video 2 years ago. So I'm not a YouTube enthusiast, but still I do post video every once in a while. So all I want to do is whenever I'm going to publish any new videos on YouTube, I want to send it to Discord. So essentially I will be connecting this specific channel with Pabbly Connect, which will be my trigger, and my trigger will be new video on this channel. So whenever a new video comes on this specific channel, which will be my trigger, I want to do something. So okay, so let's go back to Pabbly Connect. The first thing you will see right here is trigger when this happens. So I will be selecting the app name as YouTube, and I'm just going to click YouTube right here. Now it is asking us for the trigger event, what essentially will start this workflow. Now this workflow will be started whenever there is a new video in a channel. So I'm just going to select new video in a channel. Then it is giving us a connect button. So we will be just authorizing our account by clicking on connect. If you already pre-connected this account, you can choose existing connection. Because I haven't pre-connected anything, I'm just going to click on add new connection. Now I'm just going to click on connect with YouTube. Okay. And it basically gave us all the accounts. In my case, I'm just going to select Neeraj Agrawal Business Tips because this is the channel in which I want to connect. It is going to ask you for some permission to be given to Pabbly Connect. I'm just going to click on allow. Allow means now I have the permission to access this channel via Pabbly Connect. Now it automatically fetched the channel ID right here, which is Neeraj Agrawal Business Tips. And all you have to do is just click on save and send a test request. As soon as you click on this specific button, it will go to this channel. It will pick the most recent video which is published on this channel, and it will show you that video for integration purposes. So I'm just going to click on save and send test request button now. And if you can see right here, the snippet title, which essentially is the video title, is build your competitive advantage. Now, if you go back to YouTube, let me just zoom in it a little bit. So if I go back to YouTube, you will actually see my first video was build your competitive advantage. So this is in fact, not the first video, the last video that I published on my channel. So this is build your competitive advantage, which was published 8 months ago. It automatically picked that specific YouTube video title. If you go down, you will actually find a lot of things like the thumbnail, thumbnail weight, thumbnail height, the channel title, and you can even see the video URL right here. So this is the video URL that we are interested in. So every time there is a video which is published on YouTube, you will essentially get a video URL, and you basically want to push that video URL inside Discord so that you can basically get access to the very same Discord video right here. Okay, so I have already fetched the last video which is published on my channel. So now what I want to do is I want to go back to the choose your next application screen. So essentially what I want to do is I want to push this video to Discord. So I'm just going to type the name of Discord right here, selecting the Discord app right here. The action event will be send channel message because I want to send a channel message. And then I'm just going to click on connect button right here. Now connecting Discord is going to be a little different because we will be using the Discord's inbuilt functionality of webhooks. Now Discord actually provides us a facility of webhooks, which is essentially a way in which we can push a message inside Discord. Now this is something which is unique with Discord, but it is really amazing. So let me just show you how it is done. I just pressed connect. No pop-up window appeared, nothing authentication has to be done because we will be doing the authentication with the help of webhook URL. Now I will be going back to my Discord channel right here. So as you can see, the name of my channel is, my server is my team, and inside my team I have a general channel right here. Now you can basically create as many channels as you want inside your Discord account, it doesn't matter. But beside any specific text channel, you will see this icon, this little icon, settings icon right here, which says edit channel. So all you have to do is click on this edit channel button, click on integrations, just go to webhooks and click on create webhooks. Okay. It automatically gave the name of the webhook to Spidey bot. If you want, you can change the name to Pabbly bot maybe. It is all up to you. Even if you don't want to change, it is again up to you. But the main thing that you have to do, you can even change the avatar of this specific bot, right? It is all up to you. But the main thing that you have to do is you just have to copy a webhook URL by clicking this copy webhook URL button. So I just copied it. Okay, because I changed the name, you also have to save the changes. So I also saved the changes right here. As you can see, I already copied the webhook URL. What I will be doing is I will be going back to Pabbly Connect and I will be pasting the very same webhook URL right here. So as you can see, this webhook URL is now pasted. I will go back to my channel, the Discord channel. In fact, it's already zoomed in. So I am just going to close out this window because we have already copied the webhook URL and pasted it inside Pabbly Connect. Do you see any message right here? No, you do not see any message. You only see welcome to my team, invite your friends, personalize your server with an icon, send your first message and download the Discord app. No messages till date are pushed inside Discord. So now we are going to do the very same thing. This is the message screen. Hey everyone, because this is for my team. Hey everyone, I've just published a new video on my Discord channel. Okay, I've just published on my YouTube channel. What I'm writing on my YouTube channel. Okay, you can check it out here. Okay, and then I'm just pressing to enter. Okay, even just remember I said I'm pressing to enter. That should essentially create a space inside Discord, but there is a hack to do a line break inside Discord and it is not a usual hack. So I'm just pressing enter, but even though I'm pressing enter, it is not going to come as it is, but just let me show you. Don't confuse yourself at this moment on that. As you can see, I have my cursor right here. So all I have to do is I have to click on YouTube new video in the channel trigger, which was my first step. So you can see one dot right here. Just click this open icon right here. Okay. And if you move down, you will actually find the YouTube video that we published earlier. So it says RES2 video URL, because essentially we want to publish the very same video URL on my Discord channel. I'm just going to select this. Now this is a dynamic field. With dynamic field, what happens is whenever this specific trigger will be fired automatically by Pabbly Connect, which is new video in the channel, this URL will keep on changing depending upon the video which is going to be published. Okay, and because we inserted a dynamic tag right here, it will automatically keep on changing every time there is a new video URL on the step 1. So essentially that is something that we are doing, and because everything looks good to me, I'm just going to click on save and send a test request. Okay, and as soon as you do that, you can see a little red icon in the general post right here, and you can see the Pabbly bot has published its first message inside the general channel, which says, hey everyone, I have just published a new video on my YouTube channel. You can check it out here. And then you can basically even play the video right here itself. And if you even want, you can, and even if you want, you can basically do anything that you want. And your automation, by the way, is completely ready. Okay, if you just minimize this step now, you can see it is already activated, it is already enabled, which essentially means that any new video in the YouTube channel published from today onwards will automatically be sent to Discord. Now Pabbly Connect on its end will keep on pinging your channel between anywhere between 5 to 15 minutes. So it will keep on pinging your YouTube channel between 5 to 15 minutes just to see if there is any new video published on your YouTube channel. And if there is any new video being published on your YouTube channel, it will automatically pick the video details. It will fetch the YouTube video URL and it will automatically send a Discord channel message right here. Isn't it amazing? You don't even have to do anything from now on. Everything will be automated for you and it will be done automatically based on this automation. Just one thing I told you earlier was, even though we are putting a line break right here, but the line break is not coming. Okay. The reason for a line break not coming right here is because if you see the message right here, the instructions right here, enter the message content in basic HTML format only. For example, if you want a line break, this is the first line, BR, this is the second line. So if you have to use a line break, okay, you just have to use the BR tag right here, and it is all up to you how many BR tags you want. Multiple BR tags allow you with a multiple line breaks. So you can see I added 2 BRs right here, which is essentially a way to break a line. And I'm just going to click on save and send a test request again. Okay. And if you can see right here, now, hey everyone, I have just published a new video on my YouTube channel. You can check it out here. And if you can see, there is first line break, which happens after the first line, which essentially will take this line to here. But because we put 2 line breaks, another line break happened, and the text is, and the link is pasted right here. And then you can see the entire video, which is right here. So just in case if you want to do a line break, you will have to use BR, not something else. So I guess that completes our tutorial. Any new video will automatically be published with 2 BRs, 2 line breaks, and it completes the tutorial right here. So again, if you want to publish your video from YouTube to Discord, this is the way you can do it. Again, thank you for checking out this video. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thank you.